Largest planet in solar system. Jupiter, the giant planet with massive storms and the famous Great Red Spot. Animal that lives in Antarctica. Penguin, a flightless bird perfectly adapted to survive the freezing Antarctic cold. Earth is part of which system? Solar system, the family of planets that orbit around our life-giving sun. Largest continent on Earth. Asia, the biggest continent, home to the most people and many diverse cultures. Gas humans need to breathe. Oxygen, the life-supporting gas our bodies need every second to stay alive. Planet known as Red Planet. Mars, the dusty red world named after the Roman god of war. River that flows through Egypt. Nile, the longest river that has supported Egyptian life for thousands of years. The sun is a type of star, a huge glowing ball of hot gas that gives Earth light and energy. Country famous for pyramids. Egypt, the ancient land where giant pyramids were built as royal tombs. Largest ocean on Earth. Pacific Ocean, the biggest and deepest ocean covering nearly 1/3 of our planet. Animal known for black stripes. Zebra, a unique animal whose black and white stripes help it blend with the herd. First man on the moon? Neil Armstrong, the astronaut who took the historic first step in 1969. Water freezes at what state? Solid, the frozen form we see as ice when water gets cold enough. Tallest mountain in the world? Mount Everest, the highest peak on Earth, standing in the Himalayas. Continent with Sahara Desert. Africa, the continent that holds the world's largest hot desert. Shape of the Earth? Sphere, a round planet that looks like a blue marble from space. Planet closest to the Sun. Mercury, the smallest planet, racing around the Sun faster than any other. Largest land animal? Elephant, the gentle giant known for its trunk and incredible strength. Which organ pumps blood? Heart, the powerful muscle that beats non-stop to circulate blood through the body. Ocean between Africa and Asia. Indian Ocean, the vast ocean connecting continents and important trade routes.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to HANI-Moral Studio.